Wow, this wind is really high today. Wow. So I'm almost there, almost there. Stay with me. This is the journey of life where most of the time you have to be by yourself to face all the obstacles or the challenges. So if you are just like this noble bird, the king of the bird, very strong and powerful, you are never gonna be afraid of being alone. Okay, see, I already got the tail, the wings. Let me see here. It's just the imaginary bird and my star of the birds. Okay, I got that part. So now comes the fun part. It's so hot here. Temperature is above 100. How so thirsty. This is my favorite hibiscus juice. Refreshing. So now I'm just gonna be using the yellow for and some yellow here also. Some yellow there. Oops. That's good. Okay, so now I have to use kind of more on there. It's white and yellow together, so gosh, it's not sometimes everything comes like the way you want to see, right? Define. So I'm just gonna be using a little bit more of the yellow here. Here a little bit brown needs to come there too, so just use the brown brush again. See, I need to do the eye part again. So okay, this part goes here. Need the brown here more. Need to cover up this part. Just gonna fix the wings a little bit more. Little sharp here. A little bit on this side. So that you can see more on that side. Okay, we're good. just use one more with this. Now comes the color. I need to fix a little bit of the face on that side. The yellow again. With the sharpness. Put a little bit on that side. And the artist eye is always the colors, right? The imaginary vision. So I'm just gonna be brushing a little bit more on that side because this is the star of the bird, the noble bird. So soars high, very, very high above the earth in the sky. So now my noble bird, the king of the bird, is almost ready to fly by himself. Doesn't need any companionship. Okay. So now I'm just gonna be using my other colors, which is the blue color. So let me use the blue here. Blue I'm gonna be using is just a light sky blue. So, and then I'm just gonna mix a little bit more of the royal blue mixed. Sometimes you see the sky is very blue, very clean, and then the clouds, and then it becomes dark, right? Okay, so this is gonna be the sky. Right. This comes the part. My blue here, the sky. Let's stretch this part a little bit more. Wow, sounds good, sounds good. More on this side, so the blue comes. A bit more on that side, on the top, and then just to cover up this. Cover up a little bit of my blue, a little on this side, so it kind of like melts on that side, and then that's it. This is the star of the birds, the king of the birds, the symbol of nobility and power, the great eagle.